These number sentences show subtraction or separating action. Each number sentence has a total. Total is given. One part is given and the other part is missing, or the subtrahend is missing. Students draw a picture for these number sentences, show as a strip diagram, and come up with a word problem. Let's work on 1. 8 minus something gives 5. 8 minus something is 5. It means I have a total of 8 units. 8 units, and one part is, we know that subtraction is total minus part is the other part. So total is 8, a total of 8. This part is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is one part, and this part is the number that is taken away from 8. These are the three numbers that the 3 is taken away from 8 to get 5. Now strip diagram, this is unknown, 5, so part plus part is total. Now let's write a word problem for this number sentence. So we write a word problem to find the subtrahend, or this part. Jaina bought 8 flower pots. She painted some yesterday. Today she painted the rest Now this is information, and the question is how many flower pots did she paint yesterday? Let's take another one. 4 minus something is 3. My picture is, I draw 4 units, and 3 of them is my difference, and this is the one that has been taken away from the total. 4 is the total, this is unknown, and this is 3. Mark bought 4 apples and 8 some yesterday or in the morning. rest of the three to his brother. How many apples did he eat? This activity is actually for grade 1 students, but try to give the activity after students practice creating word problems orally enough. And second and third grade students also will benefit if they work on this activity because this helps in reading and comprehending word problems better. Directions help students work on this activity independently. Teacher exemplar sets expectations, and answers provide immediate feedback. Here is a list of vocabulary that students can use to create their word problems.